What's up guys, this is Raghav and you are watching Dr. Vehicle Mechanic. If you have a diesel engine car or you are a mechanical engineering student, you will absolutely hear about the injectors. Injector which passes the diesel into the engine. We will open this injector and see all the parts as shown as in the image. So without wasting the time, let's open this the injector. I am holding 1K like aim for this video. I know you can do this, so hit the like button. Pressure chamber, nozzle body, so these things were inside the injector. Now we will assemble all the parts. So only that for this video. If you enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. You will get more interesting things like this on this channel. Bye bye.